How to grow tomatoes, easy garden tips for beginners. Dreaming of sweet, juicy tomatoes from your garden? You're closer than you think. With just a little guidance, you'll grow thriving tomato plants, even if you're new to gardening. Follow these simple, proven steps to enjoy a brilliant harvest that tastes better than store-bought. Picking the right variety is key. Determinate tomatoes, or bush types, grow compactly and are great for small spaces. Indeterminate varieties, on the other hand, grow tall and produce fruit all season long. Plan your tomato journey by balancing space, time, and flavor preferences. Experiment with cherry tomatoes for easy snacks or Roma tomatoes for sauces. Check your local climate to ensure the variety you pick thrives in your specific growing conditions. Remember, a good start sets the stage for success. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Use light, nutrient-rich soil to help those tiny seeds grow into mighty plants. Keep them in a sunny window or under grow lights for strong, healthy seedlings. Remember to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. As your seedlings sprout, they'll need love and care before they're ready for the big move outdoors. Before permanently planting outdoors, give your seedlings time to adjust. Place them outside for a few hours each day, gradually increasing exposure. This process, called hardening off, strengthens the plants and prevents transplant shock. Once the frost danger is over, you're ready to plant. Choose a sunny, well-drained spot to give your tomatoes the ideal conditions for growth. Tomatoes love nutrient-rich, slightly acidic soil. Add compost or well-rotted manure to enrich your garden bed. Test your soil's pH levels to ensure they sit between 6.0 and 6.8, the sweet spot for tomato plants. Loosen the soil for better drainage and root penetration. Healthy soil equals healthy plants and a flavorful harvest. Tomatoes thrive when watered deeply, but infrequently. This encourages roots to grow deep into the soil. Aim for a consistent watering schedule to maintain moist, not soggy soil. Avoid watering the leaves to prevent fungal diseases. Instead, water at the base of the plant and watch it flourish. Growing tomatoes need proper support. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep plants upright and prevent branches from breaking under the weight of fruit. By offering structure early, you'll avoid tangles, pests, and disease. Plus, neat, organized plants make harvesting so much easier. Remove small shoots or suckers that grow in the joints of branches. This directs energy toward growing fruit instead of unnecessary foliage. Don't over-prune, though. Your plant still needs leaves to photosynthesize. Prune with care and enjoy a healthier, more productive harvest. Tomato plants are heavy feeders. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 4 weeks or use slow-release options for consistent nourishment. Look for nitrogen for leafy growth early on and potassium and phosphorus for fruit production later. Keep an eye out for signs of deficiencies like yellowing leaves and adjust your care accordingly. Stop problems before they start. Use organic pest controls like neem oil or beneficial insects to ward off harmful bugs. Proper spacing and pruning help prevent fungal diseases like blight. Rotate your crops each season so soil-borne diseases don't take hold. A little prevention saves a lot of hassle later. When your tomatoes turn their perfect shade of red or yellow, depending on the variety, it's harvest time. Gently twist or cut the stem to avoid damaging the plant. Taste test your first tomato straight off the vine. That burst of flavor is the reward for your patience and care. Want tomatoes all season long? Plant a mix of early, mid, and late season varieties for a staggered harvest. Consider freezing or canning any extras for year-round enjoyment. Don't let a single tomato go to waste. Every fruit carries the sweetness of your hard work. Your tomatoes will thrive with consistent love. Water regularly, feed appropriately, and check for pests or diseases daily. Gardening is about forming a relationship with your plants. The more you're in tune with their needs, the better they'll reward you with an abundant, flavorful yield. Now you're ready to grow delicious tomatoes right at home. With these easy garden tips, you'll wow your friends, family, and taste buds. So grab your seeds, soil, and a few tools. It's time to start planting. Don't forget to share your tomato journey. Snap a pic of your garden and tell us about your success in the comments. Get started today and happy gardening.